Jasanib, Uncle Jasanib, Uncle Jasanib, Uncle Jasanib, Uncle Jasanib.
Womb Care Love was created by our beloved Queen Afua and her daughter Sharice Terrain. Womb Care Love is a holistic health movement that supports women from all walks of life in their wellness journey. I have embarked on a 7-week wellness journey, and I have just received my Rose package, which includes 2 Womb Care Love kits. The Womb Care Love kit consists of plant-based whole food supplements, specially formulated to rejuvenate, restore, and renew the womb. Today, I will be unboxing these divine products for you all and showing you all of the beautiful products that are included in the Womb Care Love kit. My body, my womb. The power to heal my womb is within me. The first thing we have is a pamphlet that shows us details about the Womb Care Love product instructions and the 7 lotus blossoms in which we embark on during our 7-week journey. We have a nutritional formula, herbal formula, womb fruit julep, colon ease, as well as a pink rose clay. Lastly, we have a rose quartz crystal, which is also included in the Womb Care Love kit because, of course, we are learning how to love our wombs. And along the way, we also learn this divine mantra to awaken our seed of creation.
Awaken the womb of my mind, for what I think, I birth, I create. Awaken the womb of my heart, for what I feel, I birth, I create. Awaken my seed of creation, for what I think and what I feel, I birth through my seed of creation. And today I birth wellness. Today I birth the new world of mind, body, and spiritual wholeness, for I have awakened.